Hello everybody and welcome to the OSCR workshop. Today we will be learning how to download Photoshop on your computer. To get started, we are going to open up Google Chrome. On the search bar at the top, we are going to type adobe.arizona.edu. Then press enter on your keyboard. We are now going to click on the Student Access button. Scroll down until you see that Get Access button. Now go ahead and click on it. It will take you to the web authentication page. Go ahead and fill in your credentials, then press Login. When you log in, you will notice a survey. Go ahead and fill it out, then press Submit. Once you submit, a page like this one will appear. Go ahead and press on the adobe.com link. Now on the top right corner, go ahead and sign in. Here we are going to insert your U of A email, which is usually your NetID at email.arizona.edu. Now press continue. You are now going to press the company or school account option. Now you are in your Adobe account and you can download anything from here. To get started on the process of downloading Photoshop, we will have to download Creative Cloud first. Go ahead and click on the Creative Cloud button. It is located in the middle of the screen. Now click on the Download button. Creative Cloud will automatically start downloading on the lower left corner. Once it has downloaded, click on it. It will now start installing. It may take a little while to fully download. You can pause the video here until it downloads. You will then get an installation complete notification like this one appear for a split second. Then your computer will automatically open up the Creative Cloud application. As you can see here, you can install many different applications with Creative Cloud. Go ahead and click on the Install button for Photoshop. Depending on your internet connection, Photoshop may take about 30 minutes or more to install on your computer. You can pause the video here until it downloads. Once it downloads, Photoshop will appear at the top of the screen. You can now open Photoshop. This will automatically start Photoshop. Now we wait for it to load. And there we have it. Photoshop has successfully opened and we are ready to go. If at any point of this video you would like more instruction, please visit our website at oscar.arizona.edu. There, you will find our OSCR-ONLINE drop-in session and our OSCR-ONLINE workshop. An instructor will be available at your convenience. Also, if you want to offer feedback, please fill out our survey located on our OSCR workshop page. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon at one of our OSCR workshops.